Babul Supriyo to resign as Lok Sabha MP after cryptic post on quitting politics. Babul now to resign as an MP from Asansol. Babul Supriyo to resign as an MP after TMC questioned him earlier. Babul said he was quitting politics. Babul says not necessary to be in politics to help in social work. Differences with the party came into public before polls. Babul accepts blame for it. In fact, he accepts blame for it, but also blames other leaders. Here, let's take a quick listen to what BJP leader Soumitra Khan has to say on Babul Supriyo quitting politics, cutting across.
नहीं है, बाबुल तो मेरा बड़ा भैया है। हम लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कर्मी हूँ, मैं सही जानता हूँ।
कुछ बात हुआ उनके
मैंने अभी देखा ही नहीं, फेसबुक देखने से बहुत पता चलेगा।
थैंक यू।
Well, there you have it. Babul Supriyo now to quit active politics. In fact, Babul puts out a very cryptic message on social media, says that he wants to, does not necessarily need to be in politics to do social work. And he will continue to do his social work, but he wants to quit politics. Babul Supriyo now all set to resign as the Lok Sabha MP after his cryptic post on quitting politics. Babul now to resign as an MP from Asansol. Babul is to resign as an MP after the TMC questioned him earlier. Babul said that he was quitting politics and the TMC, of course, questioning him on that stand. Babul Supriyo more or less was looked at as the face of the BJP for West Bengal. In fact, he played quite an active role this time as well in the run-up to the assembly elections for the BJP. Babul Supriyo now in a very cryptic message there saying that he wants to, in fact, he never said it explicitly, but hinted at quitting politics, and now it appears that we've got first-hand information that Babul Supriyo is soon to resign as a Lok Sabha MP. Cutting across, Suryagni Roy joining us for more details. Suryagni, I'd like to know the specific reason for Babul Supriyo to retire from active politics. He put out that tweet. It's now clear that he will be resigning soon as a Lok Sabha MP from Asansol. Take us through the specific reason.
Well, absolutely, Nabila, and what Babul Supriyo has written in that long, emotional, cryptic message is a part of it also says that, yes, will be resigning from the MPship, obviously, as well. Now, that he has written it in Bengali, then he has, translated it in English as well. So the person that we're talking about right now, Nabila, he's a two-time BJP MP, 2014, when BJP had only 2 seats. Babul Supriyo, and Babul Supriyo was one of the 2 individuals of the BJP that, who won from West Bengal, and in 2019 he was re-elected from Asansol. He was made a minister in 2014 as well. It was still believed that if the BJP came to power, Babul Supriyo could have been the chief minister. But he lost the election at Toligans to Arup Biswas. And right now, just a month back or so, he was, in the reshuffling, his ministryship also, went away. And now he has come up with the reason, why I'm mentioning that it's an emotional message, because he starts with the word Alvida Chollam. Chollam means goodbye in Bengali, and he ends with this, he also tags the very emotional song of Hemanta Kumar.
Right. Suryagni, I'm going to stay with us. We have our BJP leader, Rahul Sinha, joining us on the phone line. Mr. Sinha, Babul Supriyo, who is one of the very well-known faces for the BJP from West Bengal, played quite an active role in the run-up to the assembly polls this time, has now quit politics. He's soon to resign as the Lok Sabha MP. Any specific reason on why this decision?
देखिए, 2014 में चुनाव का जस्ट पहले बाबुल सुप्रियो पार्टी में आए थे, और इसके पहले वो कोई पार्टी नहीं किए, कलाकार थे, और कलाकार का नाते सीधा पार्टी में आए। और जो आसनसोल जो सीट है, वो सीट बाबुल सुप्रियो को मैंने ही खड़ा होने के लिए कहे थे, और उनका मन था दूसरा, उनका मन था हुगली सीट लड़ने का, कारण उनका घर था पहले हुगली का। तो उसके बाद से उन्होंने उस इलेक्शन भी जीत लिए, मंत्री पद में भी रहे 5 साल पूरा, अभी और 2 साल दोबारा जीत के उन्होंने रहा, और पार्टी का साथ हमारा व्यक्तिगत संबंध भी उनके साथ अच्छा है। थोड़ा इमोशन बाबुल को है, इसीलिए इमोशन से उन्होंने कोई पोस्ट कर दिया, लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ जो बाबुल सुप्रियो ने जो इमोशन में उनका मन में कुछ भावना हुआ, ये सारे ठीक हो जाएगा। और वो अभी भाजपा में है, अभी तक तो भाजपा में है और सांसद भी है, और मेरा आशा जो भाजपा में रहेंगे।
जी, ऐसा तो नहीं कुछ अनबन हुई है, कोई लीडर के साथ कुछ बनी नहीं है उनके, क्योंकि ये ऐसे सडन एक पोस्ट डाला है उन्होंने सोशल मीडिया पर, बहुत ऐसे सवाल उठ रहे हैं कि कोई अनबन हुई है क्या कोई लीडर के साथ? All right, we've lost him on the line. Rahul Sinha, BJP leader there. He says Babul Supriyo is an emotional man. He has written something out of emotion, but still not sure if that's the decision he's made. Again, no official confirmation here yet on Babul Supriyo's retirement, or rather quitting politics. Here we're looking at Babul Supriyo, actor turned politician, who is now all set to resign as the Lok Sabha MP. Tausif Khan, TMC supporter, they're joining us on the phone line. Tausif, Babul Supriyo all set to quit politics. Any specific reason that you know, being in West Bengal there, that we don't yet?
See, any dignified person will find it difficult to work under the current regime of BJP, which is, driven only by one and a half man, that is Modi and Shah. We have seen during the Bengal election time, Babul Supriyo was on the stage and he was reprimanded by Amit Shah in that program, in the inaugural program where Diya was being lit. Throughout the election time, Babul Supriyo has been very vocal, and it's not only Babul Supriyo. We have seen Mukul Roy, who quit the BJP and joined Trinamool. We have seen stalwarts like Jashwant Sinha being very vocal and having quit the party. So this does not surprise anybody who have been watching the way BJP under the leadership of Narendra Modi and Amit Shah has been conducting themselves. There is no place for anybody else, and therefore any dignified person, any member of parliament or MLA would not want to work with BJP, and one by one, all of them are willing to quit.
Tausif, it appears that Babul Supriyo has spoken, or rather referred to quitting even previously. This is not the first time that he mentioned or he's hinted at quitting from politics. He's spoken about or given hints in the past as well. He's also, that apart, for all the criticism you just made, he's been a union cabinet minister. He's been rewarded for his work by the BJP through and through.
Yes, and not everybody likes to be a puppet minister. Even though he was a union cabinet minister, was he ever given a free hand to work for his constituency or to work for his state? Did he know? I mean, he had aspirations. He wanted to work, but when it came to election, we saw how people from Madhya Pradesh, some leader from Delhi, they came and they hijacked the entire BJP campaign in Bengal, and this is the result of that. It is a fallout of the mishandling of the election. And why should not they quit? Because they have failed to deliver. BJP lost very badly in Bengal, and this is the result, that all the major, all the stakeholders of BJP are quitting it. At least in Bengal, this is nothing new. After what we have seen, many leaders who are also in touch, they want to join Trinamool at all levels.
All right. Well, we heard Babul Supriyo clearly saying that he is in no mood to jump to any party. He will be a BJP member, and that's his party. He made it very clear in his social media post. Only time will in fact tell what happens in the days to come. But nonetheless, Babul Supriyo has very categorically said that he wants to quit politics because he wants to do some social work, which he does not necessarily